Today I am reviewing the ViewSonic LS740W 5000 Lumens WXGA Laser Projector. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. The ViewSonic LS740W 5000 Lumens WXGA Laser Projector is a powerful, professional-grade display solution designed for environments where brightness, reliability, and flexibility matter most. Whether it's used in an auditorium, conference room, classroom, training center, or even a golf simulation setup, this projector is built to deliver consistent, high-impact visuals with minimal maintenance and maximum uptime. At the heart of the LS740W is its advanced laser light source, which immediately sets it apart from traditional lamp-based projectors, producing an impressive 5,000 ANSI lumens. This projector is engineered to perform exceptionally well in brightly lit spaces. You don't need to dim the lights or close every curtain to get a clear image. Presentations remain sharp, text stays readable, and visuals maintain their clarity even during daytime use. This makes it ideal for lecture halls, large meeting rooms, and public venues where ambient light is unavoidable. The projector features a WXGA resolution of 1280 by 800, which is perfectly suited for business presentations, educational content, spreadsheets, charts, training videos, and signage. The 16:10 aspect ratio provides extra vertical space compared to standard HD, making it especially useful for documents, slides, and classroom materials. Content appears clean, well-scaled, and easy to follow, even from the back of the room. One of the standout advantages of the ViewSonic LS740W is its laser phosphor technology, which offers a long lifespan of up to 20,000 hours. This dramatically reduces maintenance costs and eliminates the hassle of frequent lamp replacements. For schools, businesses, and institutions that rely on projectors daily, this translates to lower total cost of ownership, predictable performance, and years of dependable operation. Installation flexibility is another area where this projector truly shines. The 1.3x optical zoom allows installers to fine-tune image size without moving the projector, while the wide throw ratio of 1.2 to 1.5 makes it adaptable to different room sizes. The LS740W can project screen sizes ranging from 80 inches up to 150 inches, delivering a large, immersive image suitable for both small classrooms and expansive auditoriums. A 100-inch image can be achieved from just over 8 feet away, making placement easier in space-restricted environments. To further simplify setup, ViewSonic includes horizontal and vertical keystone correction, along with four-corner adjustment. These tools allow precise image alignment even when the projector isn't perfectly centered or mounted straight on. Additionally, the projector supports 360-degree projection, meaning it can be installed at virtually any angle. This opens up creative installation options such as ceiling projection, floor projection, portrait mode, and custom signage setups. A particularly unique feature of the LS740W is its golf mode, designed to enhance contrast and color performance for golf simulation environments. This mode delivers more realistic greens, sharper terrain details, and improved depth perception, making it compatible with major golf simulator platforms. For sports training facilities, entertainment venues, or home golf simulators, this adds significant value and versatility beyond traditional presentation use. The instant power on and instant power off functionality is another practical benefit. Unlike lamp-based projectors that require warm-up and cool-down periods, the LS740W starts up quickly and shuts down almost immediately. This saves time, reduces energy consumption, and is especially useful in fast-paced professional or educational settings where efficiency matters. In terms of build quality, the ViewSonic LS740W feels solid and purpose-built. It's clearly designed for long-term, heavy use rather than casual home entertainment. The cooling system is efficient, helping maintain stable performance during extended operation, and the overall design supports continuous use in demanding environments. Connectivity options are straightforward and reliable, supporting the needs of conference rooms, classrooms, and professional AV installations. Whether connected to computers, media players, or simulation systems, the projector delivers stable, consistent performance without unnecessary complexity. In real-world use, what truly stands out is the consistency of the LS740W. Brightness remains uniform across the screen, colors stay balanced, and image quality doesn't degrade over time the way lamp projectors often do. This reliability makes it a strong investment for organizations that require dependable visual performance day after day. In conclusion, the ViewSonic LS740W 5000 lumens WXGA laser projector is an excellent choice for professionals who need a bright, flexible, and low-maintenance projection solution. Its powerful laser light source, extensive installation options, large screen capability, and specialized features like golf mode make it far more than a basic projector. Whether used in education, corporate environments, auditoriums, or simulation spaces, the LS740W delivers dependable performance, long-term value, and the confidence that it will handle demanding use with ease. If you're looking for a projector that prioritizes brightness, durability, and professional versatility over flashy consumer extras, the ViewSonic LS740W stands out as a smart, future-ready investment.